Today's class we are going to talk about solid vehicle. All right. In the last class we have read about the definitions and what are the properties of idle vehicle. In this class we are going to discuss about what are the different type of solid vehicle. There are mainly six main type of solid vehicle. As you can see here, the first one is sugar of milk. Sugar of milk is also known as saccharum lactis. Why it is known as saccharum lactis? It is known as saccharum lactis because it is derived from a Latin word. Saccharum means sugar and lactis means milk. That's why it is known as sugar of milk. The color of all these vehicles are white. This is almost same for each of them. Odor of all this vehicle is common. They are all odorless. They do not possess any smell, and all are of neutral pH. This three things you can add in the physical characteristics of all the vehicles. The first one is lactose. It is also called lactose. The other properties of lactose, it's a powdered form and it is largely used in trituration also. The preparation of sugar of milk is very important and most frequently asked. I will try to explain it in a very easy way in the next class. Next one is cane sugar. Cane sugar, as the name is suggesting, it is prepared from which thing? It is prepared from sugar cane. Other sources are beetroot, honey, and coffee. It is also white in color, but not very white, not milky white, slightly white. In fact, you may see it as a transparent thing. It is odorless, and as it is made of sugar cane, it is more sweeter than sugar of milk. All those vehicles which is prepared from sugar of milk or cane sugar are in self sweeter than much sweeter, not faintly sweet, much sweeter. Then comes cones. Cone is the only vehicle where the source is from both animal and plant kingdom. From animal kingdom, egg albumin is a part of it, and from plant, it is cane sugar. Change the color. Cone appears like to be a cone. Like have you seen ice cream cone? The shape is same. The most common size which is used for cone is size number 6. Why it is called 6 number size? It depends on the base of the diameter. See how big is this diameter determines its base. Basically 6 mm. But we don't write mm in any of the vehicle, like I will tell you in globule also. So it is 6 number size. The egg albumin part make it more porous. Okay, so that's why egg albumin is added to it. Now come to globules and pillules. Globules is one which is smaller in size. Pillule is one which is greater in size compared to globule. These two things are prepared from same thing, that is cane sugar. As I told earlier, agar cane sugar se hai, then it is more sweet. The shape is like this. Shape is like round and spherical. The most common size is 10 to 40. 30 number size is mostly used in our clinic. Dispensing of medicine is called globule. 10 to 40 is called globules, and 40 to 80 is called pillules. Next come to tabloid or tablets. Tablets or tabloid are also known as discoid because of its disc shape. The color of this is white, though there are other color also available, but we don't ideally use other color of tablets in homeopathy. It is prepared from sugar of milk, hence it is not that sweet. Okay, the taste is same like sugar of milk. Pellets are this spherical round shaped vehicle. I will compare all this vehicle in this chart form. Zoom it. This is good. Yeah. So I will compare all. As I said earlier, all this vehicle have the same color, that is white. Okay. So this thing is common to each of them, like in tablets, pellets, sugar of milk, globules. But cane sugar, as I said, is not very white, or sometimes we may call it colorless. It's a crystalline form. Now come to odorless. Yes, all are odorless. As I stated earlier, they should not possess any odor. Okay, happen to this. Yeah, they should not possess any odor. So all are odorless. Now sweet and faintly sweet and tasteless color. Sweet taste is of globule and which else? Cane sugar. Okay, as these two are prepared from sugar of milk. Hence, these two are very sweet to taste. Apart from this, pellet is also made from sugar of milk, sorry, cane sugar. Hence, these three has to taste sweet taste. Other two doesn't have it. Now come to taste faintly sweet. Which one? You know, this sugar of milk and this tablets are faintless. Okay. Now tasteless. None of them are tasteless. All have some kind of taste. Okay. If we go to liquid vehicle, we will find that there is aqua dist or still water which is tasteless, water soluble. All of them are water soluble. All of them are water soluble. The solubility increased to half quantity which is required for which is water soluble. Okay, and alcohol soluble. Only one is slightly alcohol soluble. That is this last one. Cane sugar, slightly alcohol soluble, and none of them are alcohol soluble. In the next class, we are going to talk about preparation and purification of sugar of milk. Okay, this portion is also important.